Thank you very much for your patience. We're back. I ate like 2 hot and spicy chips that weren't very hot and spicy, but the potato was satisfying nonetheless. Speaking of NFTs, nice combination there, Will.
Yeah.
Nice lining up. Here's an example of something else you could get for around the same price as those Jordan sneakers that we just mentioned from that very important game all the way back in 1985, preserved. You could also have this instead. Someone paid $473,000 for the NFT of this picture right here. For those of you that are just listening, this picture is that of what looks like maybe like a 3-year-old, very close to camera. And in the background, past her face, is a blazing fire. A house is completely burning down. Fire crews are on the scene. And I guess this turned into a meme of some kind because she has a relatively pleasant look on her face.
Like wow. Yeah. Suspicious.
Well, I'm not going to say that because she's like a 3-year-old. You know what I mean?
So the meme is called Disaster Girl.
From 2007. Wow, that is an old meme. Oh, it's a Photoshop meme.
Is it a Photoshop?
Why does it say that? It's a Photoshop meme with an exploitable photo.
I think that's a real photo, but you can Photoshop it.
Photoshop.
Like it's meant to be Photoshop.
Like there can be other disasters in the background. That's why it
or
a good.
other like words.
No,
or
I see
something.
it says right there, superimposed onto images of natural disasters and accidents to imply that she has caused some type of calamity depicted in the background.
Calamity.
Yeah. So anyway, she just has an expression on her face, which I'm sure she didn't mean in this way, right? Little kids are used to just smirking at the camera. Someone holds a camera at them. That's what they usually have to do. So that's probably why she did it. The photograph of the girl in the burning house was taken by Dave Roth in January. It's crazy how a single image can be so viral. January 2005, during the local fire department's live drill training 2 blocks away from his home in North Carolina. While observing the fire, Dave caught his daughter Zoe smiling devilishly juxtaposed against the burning house. It's like a Chucky type of thing. And so Roth uploaded the photo. Are there any examples of it against other disasters? Can we find examples of this?
I'm sure there are down here.
Just as I planned, right? Oh, here we go. There you go. Oh, my God. The Titanic. Okay. Oh, my God. The World Trade Center. This is pretty dark. Pretty dark meme. But anyway, Disaster Girl now. Roth has continued to post photos of Zoe on his Flickr account over the years. So she has grown up, and now the meme has been put on sale in the form of an NFT. And this has happened in the past. It happened with the video Charlie Bit My Finger. It's happened with a couple of high-profile memes. Now, there was one particular NFT guy that seemed to be interested in these. I wonder if he bought this one as well. I can't remember the name. But either way, you tell me in the comments or in the chat right now, if you have $450,000 to $500,000, do you take the NFT of Disaster Girl, or do you take Michael Jordan's Broken Foot game, Air Jordan 1?
The physical thing.
No, not the NFT. Not an NFT. Yeah. I'm talking about the actual sneakers, game worn, or the NFT of Disaster Girl. Which one do you take for a similar amount of money? Let me know.